Tomo card application denials usually happen because the approval system checks your application details, eligibility information, and account history before deciding whether to approve you. By the end, you'll know the common reasons a Tomo card application can be denied, and the steps you can take before applying again. The first thing to check is the information you submitted. A mismatch between your personal details and the information available to verification systems can cause problems. Make sure your name, address, income details, and other application information are accurate before submitting another application. Another common issue is eligibility. Tomo card uses its own approval process, so being approved for other financial products does not guarantee approval. If your application does not meet Tomo's current requirements, the system may decline it. If your application was denied, avoid immediately sending multiple applications. Repeated applications in a short period can create more confusion and may not fix the original issue. Instead, review the information you provided and correct anything that may have been incomplete or inaccurate. Your financial profile can also affect approval decisions. Before applying again, review your banking activity, payment history, and any information connected to your financial accounts. Keeping your accounts accurate and stable can help when you apply for financial products. If you believe the denial was caused by incorrect information, contact Tomo support and ask for clarification about the application decision. Having the specific reason can help you fix the issue instead of guessing. When you are ready to apply again, make sure your details are updated, your information matches your records, and you understand the product requirements before submitting a new application. The main points are simple. Check your application details, understand that approval depends on Tomo's criteria, and fix any possible issues before trying again. Your next step is to review the information you entered on your application and identify anything that may need correction before you reapply. If this helped you understand why a Tomo card application can be denied, subscribe for more guides that explain financial apps and approval processes clearly.